Hi everyone, my name is Monika. I'll be talking about the repair costs. I'm joined by Alireza, who will be discussing units sold, and Taralynn, who will be discussing profit. We've gathered our data, which we have collected between 2016 to 2020. We'll be looking at how Toyota Canada can better understand trends within its own brand's sales and repair history to identify the best models and locations to deploy for 2021 sales. Throughout this presentation, we'll be going over 5 key questions shown here. These are some of the main visuals we'll see throughout the presentation. The top 7 car models we included are Prius, Camry, Sienna, Yaris, RAV4, Corolla, and Tacoma. From the data, I found that we can see that Prius had the most repair costs overall. If I click on Prius, you can see from the other charts on the page that it has the highest category of extreme repairs. Additionally, the most repairs seem to have come from powertrain, seats and restraints, and suspension. It seems as though most repairs came from the year of 2017 and 2019.
Hi, my name is Alireza, and today I will be discussing the top Toyota models and the sales scoping across Canada's province and territories. From 2016 to 2020, Toyota sold over 1 million cars in total. As we look at the model ratio chart throughout the years, the trends appear to have an uprising in favor of 2 Toyota sedan models, the Corolla and the Camry. Their popularity is evident by their surplus in sales. From 2016 to 2020, Toyota sold a staggering 215,379 Corollas, while Toyota Camry crept in the second place with an impressive 184,883 units sold. Looking closer to the Toyota's client demographic, we can clearly identify that the geographic patterns within the region Ontario, Quebec, and BC. In Ontario, from 2016 to 2020, Toyota sold 434,102 units. Once again, the Toyota Corolla came out on top as the consumer's favorite with a lucrative 83,000 in sales.
Hi, I'm Taralynn, and I will be discussing which of the top 7 models for Toyota Canada yield the highest and lowest profit, so we can define further which models to pause production and which to focus on. To identify the profit margins, we took the annual sales for each year from 2016 to 2020 for the top 7 models sold in Canada, multiplied by the MSRP for each model, and subtracted the repair costs. Here we can see the total net profit over the 5 years for Toyota Canada is $1.01 trillion for those top 7 car models. Profit is also broken down by each model per year on this table below. As per the region data that Alireza previously shared with us, the top models for sales were the Camry and Corolla. And for Monika's repair costs, we identified that the Prius cost Toyota Canada the most in repairs over the 5 years. We can see here that yes, the Corolla still yields the highest overall net profit, and the Sienna is in fact the vehicle which drives the least amount of profit overall for Toyota Canada. Based on these findings, we've concluded that the Sienna would be the vehicle to slow down on further production until the microchip supply increases globally to match vehicle demand. The model projected to have the least negative impact on Toyota's revenue is in fact the Corolla. This model has the highest sales volume, close to the least amount in repair costs, and therefore is the vehicle to focus the most amount of production and order fulfillment for new vehicles in 2021.
So for now, I'm going to also show you how we can publish the PowerBI desktop version to the online version. So what I have here is the desktop version of PowerBI, and all I have to do is click on publish here, and then You have to make sure you're logged into your PowerBI account online, and I use my BCIT PowerBI account just because that is what works with it, and because I already have one that's called Toyota Cars 2016 to 2020, it's already uploaded there. I'll just click replace, so you can see that it's being uploaded right now. So now it's just being published, and just give it a few seconds here. Now we'll just open it up here, and when we go here, just need to log into my account. And just going to load up here. And here, now you can see on the left hand side, it shows everything within the view, as you can see on the PowerBI desktop version. So you'll see the overview, the repairs, units sold, profit, and that is the project here. It's basically exactly the same format, it's just slightly different layout, but it all works similarly. That concludes our presentation. Thank you for taking the time to watch us.